Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to get MTN YouTube Data Night Plan to stream all night for less. Let me show you how. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your dialer. So I'm going to click on here to open my dialer. Next thing you need to do is to dial star 3128 hash and hit on send. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and type 1, then hit on send. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here again, type 1 and hit on send. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and type 99, hit on send. Then you are here. Click on here again, dial 12 and hit on send. Then you'll be taken right here. Buy and get data to stream YouTube at night, starting from 12 a.m. and end 5 a.m. So here you can simply select whether you want weekly or monthly. If you need weekly, simply type 1 and hit on send. Then here you will be given weekly plan. 800 naira for 1 gig, 1000 naira for 1.5 gig, 500 naira for 500 megabytes, 500 naira for 500 megabytes. And mind you, this data will work for only YouTube at night, starting from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about MTN data hack, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.